I get from my subscriber. And I'll get it open tomorrow or the next day. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm just glad to have it here. And I just want to let you know. Thank you so much. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. And it's almost 1 o'clock a.m. And I'm full of castor oil because I just washed my face not long ago and put all my stuff on. So why do I get dark in here like that? But anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my gift that a subscriber got me, and I want to unbox it now so that I can perhaps have it ready for in the morning. Let's see. Guess I need a box cutter, y'all. Let's see if I think I got one. Like I have something like a box cutter. Okay, I don't want to cut myself. Let's see. Let's see how we do this. Oh, okay. Got some screws and stuff here. Okay, we got foam. Oh, let's pull this out the way. Yes. Oh, it's intact. It's my mirror.
Oh my god.
It is intact, y'all. Yeah. Okay. Let's prop this here. While we get everything out the way. So it was packaged really well, y'all. I need to keep this for my packaging. Yes. And we have some instruction manual here. When the subscriber asked me, when she told me that she was going to get this for me, she asked that I want a 1-2 mount on the wall or freestanding. And I said freestanding so that I could move it around. So, why am I breathing so hard, y'all? All right, yes. And we're gonna use this phone, for when I ship stuff. So this comes in hand, and we're gonna keep this. Okay, let's take the plastic out. Let me see, y'all. Let's see. I had to take the plastic out. I don't want to get it dirty. Okay, and so here, behind here is the stand. Oh, and you can pop it down like that. Yo! Yes! I love it. And so you see here it has the little things that prop it into place. Okay, y'all, let's see. I'm so excited, y'all. Thank you, delightful. Thank you. Okay, y'all, let's see. Let me show y'all a little up close. Okay, so this is where you can, adjust it. It has on both sides where you can adjust it. Like I said, I got my castor oil on. So, in a video, which I'm going to show y'all a clip here, walking on my treadmill, cutting my hair. And I just mentioned if I had a mirror in front of me, I could curl my hair, you know, do it more times, because I would love to walk on my treadmill more. Most of the time when I'm multitasking, I can only be on my trampoline or my stepper, because it's right in front of my vanity, and so I can do those things, wash my face, curl my hair, those type of things. But I would love to walk on my treadmill more often, but I can't multitask and do my hair. Yes, I can multitask and eat, make phone calls, write in my journal, read my Bible and things like that on the treadmill. But now, when I said that, I just was making a statement like, if somebody like to sponsor me a mirror, okay, and just said it just, you know, pretty much like that, which I'll show y'all. Let's heat up. And this the mirror I'm trying to use, y'all. I can see it's not going. I'm not gonna be able to curl it good because I can't. For whatever reason, I can't see. But you know what? Something may come about where I can do this like this, but I would love to walk on the treadmill more. I would love to walk on the treadmill more times, but I don't do this one. I don't get on the treadmill because I can't do my hair. You know, I can read my Bible and write in my journal and, you know, make phone calls and things like that. But as far as doing my hair or preparing, I can't do that on the comb my hair. I haven't been able to successfully. Let's say if I had another mirror, if I had another mirror, if I had another mirror. So, if anybody watching and want to sponsor me a big mirror so that y'all can see me curl my hair on the treadmill, come on with it. Yes, come on with it. Sweet Juicy welcomes that. Later that day or the next day, Delightful commented down in the comments that her and her husband were watching the video. And she was just saying that she wanted to help me get a mirror, you know. So anyway, after a few exchanges in the comments, we started to exchange emails and all that. So she asked me, you know, like, you know, for my address to send it, you know, and some more things. I don't have to go into all of it, but she just asked me what she needed to know in order to ship it to me. So I ended up having to ship to the shop, to the salon, and Jared, my coworker, brought it over on Friday. Today is Monday morning at 12:56, and so I wanted to have it set up so in case I decide to walk on a treadmill in the morning before I go do my stuff, I could comb my hair. You know, if I go do something or if I don't, I still can just show that now I have a mirror. She, you know, she works out too, so she has a mirror. It helps her with her form. So anyway, it's such a blessing. Thank you so much, Delightful. I'm so blessed, so blessed. Thank you so much for your kindness, your generosity, thoughtfulness, and I pray that God blesses your kindness back 100-fold in abundance, the way that you need or desire. Okay, thank you so much for your sacrifice. I'm so blessed, so blessed. And this is like my week last week. I had, you know, several highlights of blessed things that happened through the week, and that was one of them, really stemming from the week before. So I'm so blessed and so thankful. So I look forward to oh my God, I look forward to, oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I look forward to being able to do this. I'm so glad to have this mirror. And this is one thing, another thing that YouTube has blessed me by, being able to be blessed by people I don't know, or people that think. She calls me the multitasking queen. So just being able to be blessed by somebody that, you know, I guess was maybe blessed by what I was doing. I don't know if that blessed would be the right word, but just inspired enough to do something for me. And I'm truly blessed, and I know it's nothing. I give God the glory in this. For me being on YouTube, for her watching, feeling, you know, led to do this. So anyway, thank you. And she didn't want to be recognized. You know, that's a special thing too, but I wanted to recognize her. So I'm so grateful, delightful. Thank you again for this, making this happen for me. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to start. I don't know how I'm gonna use it yet. Let's see. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna stand it. Do I just want it to just be right here in front of me and move it? Or do I want to move my treadmill this way? Right there in my stuff, my mat, my shoes that I work out in, and here's the treadmill. I'm gonna have to move it over here. Move the treadmill over here, that's where it was once before, and move the bike so that I can have the mirror in front. Here's the mirror. So we're gonna see how that works. My mat, shoes I walk on the treadmill with. Juicy. I bet my neighbor like, if she ain't up there exercise, what is she doing this time of morning? But hopefully they're so sleep that they're so good and loaded that they don't recognize. It's Christmas, it's Christmas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I think this mirror might be the mirror that people were, my sister said somebody was talking about mirrors on TikTok. So. See what that is, so I can put my review up too. Yes, that's Pine Patch. That's my yes. Wipe the treadmill down. And see, I put batteries in this treadmill last week, and I haven't been using batteries in it, you know, to show the gauge of the time or whatever. Because it's like I just walk on it, but now I'm so glad. See, I was setting it up. I was setting myself up. God knew I was gonna be doing something, moving this thing. Because I'm gonna do that, y'all. I'm blessed. I'm so grateful and blessed right now. Y'all can't even imagine. You know, I'm so thankful for being able to have it. It's a dining area, but I don't use it for that. This is my workout area. When I put my batteries in there, I said I was gonna put my batteries in here, but I hadn't, so this is a good reason to go ahead and put my batteries in here. We upgrading the gym room. Whew. Oh, I got action. Everything got batteries. Whew. Yes, y'all, I love it. Let's see, I guess I'll let everything go this way. I guess I'll let everything go this way, y'all. This behind here. And I just pull it out when I need it. But if I want to curl my hair, I guess if I want to curl my hair, I'll put my comb here. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, y'all, but now this is how it looks. And so if I want to be on here, what I can do is have my, of course I have my water here, and then I can have my comb here, and the flat iron. Where am I gonna set the flat iron? We're gonna make it work. Let me see. I could prop something here to put the flat iron in, and have my comb and the flat iron here. Cause last time when I kept sticking the flat iron through here, it kept going out. But yes, but now this is how we're gonna do it, I think. But since the mirror can move, since the mirror can move easily, I when I'm doing another workout, if I want to be in the mirror, I can just move it around. So let's see. Okay, y'all, we trying another angle. If I put the mirror on that facing that way. I have never had it facing this way, y'all. This can give me new perspective. Well, let me let y'all see. Okay, this is how we looking now, y'all. I love it. I am not used to the mirror going this way, but the treadmill going this way, but this just might work. And so let me see, like when I want to just come out the room and see how I'm looking. So I want to catch me a little glimpse of how I'm looking just on my way out the door too. So here we go. Okay, y'all, I think this is how we're gonna do it for now. So the treadmill face the mirror, just so I can do what I said I want to do. And the bike will face this way. So this is how we're gonna do it for now, because this makes more sense to me to have it going this way, so that I can have my stuff right here and curl and do my stuff. So I think this is gonna work for now. We'll figure it out later, but I love my mirror. I love it, I love it, I love it. And in the midst of that, I put batteries in here, so we good to go, y'all.